When somebody starts something new, the one thing they look for is tools. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Dipakshi and I create DIY videos related to fashion, jewelry, accessories and sometimes cartooning. And if you are somebody who just started doing painting or sketching or drawing art, then this video is especially for you. So hold your seat back and relax and watch this complete video where I talk about basic tools which one should have who have just started doing painting or sketching or any form of art. First two most important things are pencil and eraser. There are different kinds of pencil. If you're just doing a normal pencil work, then the basic Natraj domes or 3B kind of pencils can work easily. But if you're looking for sketching, then there are different kind of sketching Apsaras. There are set of pencils actually, 2B, 3B, and there are 5 pencils, different kinds of shades they have. Then you're going to use those pencils. The another most important thing for beginners is paper and sketchbook. Like either you can take a paper for your artwork, or you can take a sketchbook where it will going to be summarized all the stuff, whatever you need. But apart from that, some people prefers to use canvas, which is also a good idea. But different canvas and papers have different impressions. For example, papers have like ivory, cartilage, cotton, soft sheets and normal papers as well. And canvas came in different styles and different sizes. Not style but specifically sizes. As per your preference you can use them. So these are two most important surfaces one can use for their artwork. Important things are colors. Like as I told you, there are different sheets, different canvas, so the colors types is also very different. Like there are acrylic, poster, watercolors, soft pastel, oil pastel, normal hard paste colors, crayons, sketch pens, pencil colors. Like every different surface requires a different kinds of colors, and whatever you want to use, it's up to you. But if you're thinking to use crayons on canvas, that might be a different decision. I've never tried this, but I want to try this one now. This sounds really deadly. So these are the colors you can have as per your preference for your artwork. The most important part of the colors are brushes. There are two kinds of brushes, flat brush and round brush. Round brush is basically used for creating portraits or something like that, and for background or flat surfaces, flat brushes are perfect because उनसे color spread करना बहुत easy होता है और बहुत ही आसानी से हो जाता है without lines around. Pen is also used as one of the most important tools for artwork. Different people use different kinds of pen. For example, gel pen, marker, sketch pen. Some people use it for outline, and some people use it as a complete pen sketching. They do it pen sketch, and which looks really tremendous. I think you should also try this. I will soon share a video of it on my channel. If you want, please do let me know in the comment section. The most important one is color palettes, like the plastic palette where you will use to spread your color. Never use color straight from the bottles. First take them out of the palette, then use it, because उससे आपको color shade create करने में, if you want to create some new color, it will be easy for you to do that. And plus, you know how much color you will need, and your colors won't destroy. Like if you use the same brush and for black color and put in the white or in the yellow, then the whole bottle of color will be destroyed. So always use a color palette. So I hope these few tools ideas were going to be helpful for you, and you will want to buy some of them really soon. phone for your latest artwork, and you create something like this out of them, please do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to share this on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, like, comment, subscribe. See you until next time. Till then, bye.